Rule number 5 says arrange different substituents alphabetically. So this is it. Arrange different substituents alphabetically. So let's look at this example. We have one, two, three, four, five. So we have two different substituents here. We have the methyl substituent and we have ethyl substituent. So if you want to name this, the first thing you should consider is what? Can you try that? Okay, let's try that together. First thing is what? Locate the longest continuous word carbon chain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane. 5 is what? Pentane. Second thing is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what is closer to the first alkyl substituent. If you start from here, if you number from here, 1, 2, 3. Carbon number 3, that is when we have the first substituent from this side. So we are considering this one because this carbon atom is closer to what? The methyl substituent here. Number it from where? Closest end, row number 2. So we are considering this. We are numbering it from where? From this side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 carbon atom, pentane. Methyl substituent is at where? This is methyl substituent is here. Carbon number 3, ethyl substituent. Now rule 5 says arrange different substituents alphabetically. Which one is going to come first? Alphabetically. Remember? Our A to Z. E comes before M. We have E before M, letter M. Right? We have letter E before letter M. So ethyl will come first. Please pay attention very well. This is what confused students so much. E comes before M. So when you are naming this structure, you say ethyl substituent is at carbon number what? 3. You cannot say 2 ethyl because ethyl is not at carbon number 2. Is at carbon number 3. So you say 3 ethyl two methyl what? Pentane. Please look at the naming very well. First, you consider the longest carbon chain. That will take you to what? The parent name, which is what? Pentane. Then you number it from the closest end, and this is where we are going to start numbering our own because this is what is closer to the methyl substituent, this carbon atom. So we number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at carbon number 2 we have a methyl substituent there. At carbon number 3 we have ethyl substituent. Now we want to know which alkyl substituents will come first, and from the rules it says arrange different substituents alphabetically. So we know our A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A to Z. E comes before M. So we'll start with ethyl, which is at carbon number 3. So we have 3-ethyl. Methyl is at carbon number 2. 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, and the parent name, pentane. That's all. Very simple.